Okay, so hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about tuples. So first of all, what are tuples? Tuples are the second data structure. Okay, they're a part of data structure. So in total, there's four data structures, which is list. The first thing we have learned, we already know. Tuple, which we are learning today, and sets, which we'll learn later on, and dictionaries, which is our last one we'll learn later on too. So the first one is tuples. So tuples are immutable. So once when we create tuples, we can't modify it. We can't use the append function, add someone, remove someone, insert someone, or pop someone. Okay, using the pop function. We can't do any of that. We can't use no functions for that. Okay, so let's say I write here tuple and then 1. And then let's say I write some brackets, but I'm not using a square bracket. This time I'm using paracenthesis for tuples. So let's say right here Avner and Enver and 1, 2, or 2, 5.6 and some. And now when I run the code, let's just print the tuple. Tuple 1. Okay. And then see, it writes with paracenthesis, it writes our whole list. Avner, Enver, 1, 2, 5.6, and Sam. Okay, that's what it writes. It's okay. So I told you, let's say I write here a tuple 1 dot append. And then I write here A. For example, when I run the code, it's error. Look at the attribute error. You don't know what attribute error is, and same thing. So tuple object has no attribute append, which means there is no function called append when we use tuple. So it means we can't use tuple. We can't use the append function for tuple. That's what it means. So what it means is tuple has no function append. That's what it actually means. Now let's just comment this because you know what? Let's just write here extend. Okay, let me check if that's the correct spelling. Extend. I think so. I'm not sure. Square bracket. Yeah, square bracket, comma, R, E, comma, whatever, FFH. Now let's run the code. It's error. So what this means, this attribute error, this whole thing means here, tuple has no function extend. Let's get that out. I want to do insert. Insert. That's the correct spelling. I'm not sure. Let's do in between Afner and Enver. So that's index gonna be 1 and Naveen. Okay. And let's run the code. It's error again. So you guys should know what this means already. Yes, it means tuple has no function insert. Okay. So let's say remove. Remove. Yes, remove. Let's say Avner. It's error again because tuple has no function remove. Now let's try pop. 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 Okay, pop. And just take out this. Now when we run it, error again. Because tuple has no function pop. So all the functions we use for list and we do this for tuple, it won't work because tuple would have no functions that list has. So no functions like append, pop, all of them. Let's say I write here 2, still the same thing. Has no function pop. Tuple has no function pop, right? So we already know how to do this, okay? Tuple 1. So thank everyone for listening to my video about tuples today. In our next video, we're going to learn about sets, okay? And that would be sets, okay? Which we use curly brackets, and dictionaries is curly brackets too, because there's only 3 types of brackets in your computer. So dictionaries would also have to be square brackets. But today was a good day, and it was tuples, so that was fun.